Okay, you asked for it. We're going to unbox two of the brand new styles from Belle Tress Icons collection. Let's get started. I've been getting so many requests for the Belle Tress Icons collection. So excited. Wig Studio One sent over two for me to show you today, and I am going to unbox them. I love these unboxings, even though these came and it's so hard for me to keep from opening them, but I didn't. I've got them both sitting here. I haven't even peeked at them. We're going to unbox them together. I just want to let you know I am wearing my Belle Tress page, and this color is Auburn Spice R. Y'all, I just reviewed this. This is such a beautiful wig. I love it. I want it in more colors. I just think they did a beautiful job. All right, for these wigs, I'm going to put a code in the drop-down box, and I'll probably put it on the screen here. Be sure to use my code over at Wig Studio One. Save 30% on your favorite brands and styles. Also, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Reach out to us, support@wigstudio1.com. They have personal hair consultants there. They're happy to help you with color, styles, information on heat. Remember, I'm going to show you heat-friendly styles. Make sure you're using the correct heat for the brand of wig that you're wearing. Different manufacturers recommend different heat temperatures. Wig Studio One, happy to help you with that. So just don't hesitate. Reach out to us at support@wigstudio1.com. Okay, first up is Beckham. And this color is Brown Sugar Blonde R. Oh, I'm so excited to see this wig and this color. Now, again, heat-friendly fibers. Whatever styling tool you're using, make sure it has a temperature control. Make sure you're using the correct temperature. All right, it's pretty. Let me get it out of the bobby pins. First of all, let's look at this cap. It has an extended lace front. Wow, this is beautiful. Extended lace front, large mono top, silicone ear tabs, hand tied, partially hand tied. This is a partial hand tied cap. You will notice the wefting in the back. Extended felt nape, Velcro adjusters. And now let's look at this color. Brown Sugar Blonde R. Okay, it's pretty, of course, as all Belle Tress colors are. I like that. It looks like just a short bob. All right. I'm going to take this tag off. Y'all, it's just easier for me to show you these wigs without having to fight that tag. So let me take off this tag. Okay, I'm back. I took the tag off. Let's try on Beckham. I'm going to give it a good shake, and then we're just going to dive into it and see what we have here. Okay, fits just like all other Belle Tress on me. A little large, but actually a pretty good fit. This, I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. Oh, this is cute. Okay, let me take this part out. Again, I have a 21¼ inch head, and this is fitting the slightest bit large. Okay, little choppy ends. This is a nice length. I really, really like the length on this. Look how this comes right under your chin. That is nice. I'm going to have some plain water, just my normal way of doing, and spray this a little. The year of the bob, y'all, right? How many bobs have we seen come out this past year? A lot, because they're so popular. It is just what people are wanting. They're enjoying the bobs, and so that's what we're seeing, a lot of releases. Now, this may fall in your face a little, so don't know, we might need to steam that a little, but it looks like it could possibly fall down just a hair. That's not a big deal for me because I know that's an easy fix. Oh, this is a cute little bob. Has a nice length here. I like the length. I really like the length on this. Let's talk about these specs. Overall, they're saying this is an overall length of 10 inches. Sides 7 to 9, nape 2.5, weighs 2.9 ounces. It does have that shorter nape. This is really pretty. Okay, I think I'm going to spray mine. I just have some of the Hair You Wear Control Hairspray. That's what I use, what I like. This is a temporary fix. You've seen me do it many times. I'm just going to spray that front and kind of contour that off my face just a little. Yeah, I feel like this might need a little bit of steam. That's just my initial impression. But wow, what a pretty little wig. I like it a lot. Brown Sugar Blonde R. This is a base of a 6. Medium chestnut. It's blended with a 12. Light golden brown. 22 champagne blonde highlights on this 8 medium light chestnut brown root. So it's 612-22-8 is your color code on this one. Okay, yes. I'm going to insert some video that after I finish recording this video, I'll go outside and do some outdoor video for you, and I will insert it so you can see the color. This is beautiful. Look at the highlights in this. I like this medium brown base. Now, permatease, no. You know, this is hand-tied, partially hand-tied. Even at the nape, I'm really not feeling anything where that wefting is. Don't feel any kind of permatease. Y'all, this is really a nice style. I like the color. 612-22-8. Just making sure you know the color code. Some people have been asking me about those. All right, that's a look at Beckham. Let's move on. Okay, next up is Hepburn Caramel Toffee Blonde R. Okay, that color code 1425-613-8. 1425-613-8 is its color code. Same cap, of course. See how this looks. This Icon collection is looking pretty good. There is no, yeah, there is. Okay, I just always like to show you. You see the netting, the cap, it's completely off and it's just inside the wig. It has, in shipping, that happens. It moves around in shipping, and sometimes that netting comes off, as it was on this one. Here's just another recap of this cap with the extended lace front, large mono top, silicone ear tabs, extended felt nape, Velcro adjusters. Now this has the hidden wefting, again, just let you see, so partial hand-tied cap, and then of course they're hand-tied all through here. They just do a beautiful job on their caps. For sure. Belle Tress, I'm going to take off the tag so we don't have to fight that this whole time. And let's look at this color. Caramel Toffee Blonde R. Oh, wow. First of all, look at this curl. This is a beautiful, wow. I love this curl pattern. And looks like it has a little bang here. And that is a beautiful color. I like that. Let's see how we like it on. Hepburn. All right. I get so excited trying on these new wigs, don't y'all? Okay, yep, it's got a bang. Now this bang is, they say 3.5 to 4 inches. I agree with that. It's longer, a little bit longer there. For me, I would probably need to trim these. Wow. Okay. Yes. Yes, indeed. I like this longer style. These bangs are going to need to be trimmed or swept over to the side. They really need trimming. These are pretty though. These are a pretty bang on this. I might try to use my hot air brush on that just for a little temporary before trimming. Y'all, this is beautiful, isn't it? This is a pretty style. I just want to feel for any permatease, which of course I don't feel any. I always just like to feel at the back when they've had that wefting. Really not. Wow. This is a wow wig. If you're looking for a longer style. Got a lot of movement. These fibers are so light and beautiful on this. Good fit, same as the other. I can't tell any difference between the caps. Fit me just a tiny bit large. I really want, let me grab my hot air brush and let's see if we can do a little something with these bangs. Okay, I grabbed my hot air brush. I like the Hot Tools is the one I use. I think this is a 2-inch barrel, I think. And I'm just gonna see if I can bump these under just a little. It's gonna make a little noise here. I just want to try and see if I work with these a little bit, how they do. Just always remember, keep your styling tool moving when you're using it. These really just need trimming for me. They just need a trim. But these are cute. I'm gonna pull it back just a little, y'all, so you can get a little more idea how it would look if you trimmed them up just a little. But for me, they're definitely too long. That would drive me crazy. I have to trim these a little bit. I like that it has a bang. We need more wigs with bangs, in my opinion. I think we just need more wigs with bangs. Oh, it's pretty. I love it. Okay, let's talk about the specs. Overall, 15 inches. Bangs, 3.5 to 4. They feel a little, definitely 4 on these. Sides, 10 to 12. Nape, 7.5, and this one weighs 4.2 ounces. It is a beautiful wig. All right, let's take a look at this color. All right, caramel, toffee, blonde, rooted, 14.25, 6.13, 8.14. Medium ash blonde, yes, 25. Medium golden blonde. There's definitely some golden blonde running through here. And that 6.13, y'all, is that French vanilla blonde. That's highlighted with the French vanilla blonde. And then on the 8 root, light chestnut brown. This root is nice. It always shows up, like I said, darker inside to me than it really is. It is not stark. It is beautifully done. I'm going to trim these bangs and I will try to do maybe some color comparisons with this wig, and I'll show you how I do the bangs. I'm definitely going to trim them and I'm going to leave them like they are straight across. I like these. I think they're beautiful. I'm impressed with this wig. And I want you to call one thing to your attention. Do you notice how the curls are away from the face? I've noticed Belle Tress has been doing this with their longer, curlier styles, their wavy styles. They are really concentrating on the waves away from the face, and I love that. I think it helps with, if it doesn't fall on your face so much. It's just a beautiful wave pattern on this. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of these 2 new styles from the Icons collection. I think they're beautiful. Belle Tress has done, again, they knock it out of the park every time with these gorgeous styles. Thank you for joining me today. Leave me some comments. What do you think about these styles? Will you try these styles? Have you tried these colors? I want to know your feedback. I appreciate you joining me, and I'll see you soon.